Introducing the Cabilock Cake Box, the perfect solution for storing, transporting, and serving your delicious cakes and desserts for any occasion. Whether it's a wedding, birthday, or anniversary, this cake storage is designed to meet your needs. This cake box features a clear display box, making it suitable for shops, bakeries, cake shops, tea rooms, amusement parks, and even for home use. It's portable and convenient, making it ideal for car travel, outdoor picnics, and more. Plus, it's made of durable PP material, ensuring that it won't break easily and eliminating any worries about bad odors. Say goodbye to cake malfunctions with the Cabilock Cake Box. It features 2 secure side closures that click firmly onto the tray, ensuring that your cakes and desserts stay intact even on the bumpiest of journeys. Whether you're delivering a cake or bringing it to a party, this cake carrier has got you covered. The Cabilock Cake Box comes with a handle, allowing you to easily carry your cake or other food everywhere you go. It also has a sealing buckle to keep your food sealed and prevent the cover from coming off. With its simple design and easy assembly, the Cabilock Cake Box is a must-have for any cake lover. It's made of food-grade material, so you can be confident in its safety and reliability. The lightweight and compact size make it easy to use and carry, while the spacious interior provides ample room for your cakes, cupcakes, cookies, chocolates, and more. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use in other countries. Make sure to check compatibility before making your purchase. With the Cabilock Cake Box, you can showcase your delicious creations with style and convenience. Get yours today and make every occasion a sweet success. Package includes 1X Cabilock Cake Box. Product information. Material. PP. Size. Approximately 25.00 by 25.00 by 13.00 centimeters, 9.82 by 9.82 by 5.11 inch. Bestsellers rank. Number 393,819 in Kitchen and Dining. See Top 100 in Kitchen and Dining. Date first available. May 14, 2023 ASIN. B0C56P2GDP. Get the Cabilock Cake Box now at the short link provided. https://amzn.to/40xenoip